hiccup.
You got a hiccup? Let me see if I can tickle it out of you. Let me get it. Let me get it. Is it right there? I think it's right there. You got to tickle those hiccups away. Do you think people should subscribe? Why?
Because I just want them to. Thumbs up.
The Funny Rats. Morning, guys. Just got done with my miracle morning. Feeling great. Let's see if Sister's awake. Good morning.
I just fell out of bed.
You fell out of bed. That's the best way to wake up, right? Did you fall into the tickle monster pit? You didn't? Oh, okay. You fall into the daddy hug pit? Oh, yeah, that's a lot better, huh?
I like to give you a lot of hugs and kisses because I love you.
Oh, I love you too, and I love giving you hugs and kisses as well. You ready for today at school? You get to go into the fun jump! Yay! I'm so excited! Yay! So one of the kids at Amelia's school has access to a fun jump. So they're doing a full day today, but halfway through, like the time I usually pick her up is 12 on Thursdays, but they're gonna go a little further. They're gonna go to 2:45, which is, you know, the other day pickup times. But they're gonna go over to one of the boys' house and they're gonna have a fun jump there. It's gonna be awesome. And it's exciting. Hey, bud.
I need some pants.
You do need some pants. You've got a naked butt. You stinker winker. Hopefully we don't see the naked butt in the video. All right, let's get these kids dressed. All right, breakfast of champions right there. How is it?
Great.
Good. Is it good, bud? You got a little doohickey right here. There you go. You have a great day at school?
Yeah, but is it a long day or a short day?
It's a short day with a fun jump. Come on, they're waiting for you. Miss Betsy's coming.
Good morning,
Say
Miss
good morning.
Amelia.
Good morning.
I love your hair down today.
Oh, I forgot to fix it.
That's okay. I have a ponytail holder. If it bothers you, we can put it up later.
There you go.
But it's nice, those curls. Good morning, Tom. How are you?
Mwah.
Good. You guys are getting so big.
Tell me about it.
I do have to bring my lunchbox too.
Yes, bring your lunchbox. Have a great day. I love you.
Love you, Dad. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. All right, guys, we have two things that we want to do today. First of all, I decided that I wanted to take Jacques down to a hardware store to show him different types of tools and how things work and whatnot. So we're planning on doing that while Amelia's at school. But if he takes a shorter nap today, or if he wakes up at a decent time, at Amelia's school, they're going to someone's house to do a fun jump. They have access to a fun jump, and they said that I could bring Jacques and we could come and have some fun over there too. We'll kind of have to play it by ear, and we'll see if we can make the fun jump happen. You got your hammer?
Yeah.
You gonna bring it to the tool store? All right, let's go. Let's see, bud. You think these are heavy?
Yeah.
Oh, they're heavy? Oh, you got them, bud. Good job. Maybe these? Is that heavy?
No.
You got it? Are you sure?
No.
It's not? That's called an impact socket. Impact. Can you say impact? I got an impact socket.
I got an impact socket.
Good job, bud. Touch, 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 touch. You want to touch them? Touch, 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 touch.
Can I touch that?
Oh, you want to touch that one? Touch. You found the hammer, hammer, hammer. You like that? Yeah. That's kind of fun, huh? You want to put it up? Look, it goes right there. Nope, right there. Put it on the rack. Get it all the way up. You gotta bring it up.
Where?
Need help? So look. Like that.
I want to do
That's the same thing, you silly winker. driving the pirate ship?
No.
Oh, yo ho, yo ho. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Captain Jacques here. Say army matey. Say ye be walking the plank.
No.
Can you turn around? Let me measure you again. Make sure I got it right. Stand up straight and tall. Oh, not on your tippy toes. There you go. Yeah, bud. You are 35 inches tall. You're getting to be a big boy.
I go to 5.
35.
Can
You want to do it again? There you go. You look good, bud. Oh, you like that one. Can you show me how you screw with that?
I screw nails.
You screw nails with that? Yeah, that's right. Big nails or small nails?
Small nails.
Small nails? Are you sure this one's not for small nails? I bet this one's for small nails, and this actually I bet it's for screws and not nails. I think I'm gonna paint you. Okay, you give me, but I can hold you. Let me see it. Oh, I'm gonna get you again. I'm gonna get you again. Y'all done? Yeah, you ready to get out of here? All right, let's go. You want to wear a dusk mask?
No.
No? Okay. All right, guys, that was fun. For any of you guys with kids, just take them to different stores and show them the different things there. You learn so much about just, you know, how tools work, different kinds of tools and whatnot. The other day we went to the sports store and I showed them all the different kinds of balls. Just take your kids to different places and they'll learn tons. Wait a minute. Let me check this. Oh. You got a hiccup? Let me see if I can tickle it out of you. Let me get it. Let me get it. Is it right there? I think it's right there. You got to tickle those hiccups away. I love you. Did you know that? Are they gone? Did we get rid of them?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Let me double check. Come on, let's go fun jump. You woke up early enough. Let's go try and see if we have some time to fun jump. Does this look like fun? Yeah. Whoa, what do you think about this? Is it bouncy? Is that fun? Yeah.
I can get up.
Can you stand up, bud?
How you want me to tell you on my first
Sure.
you?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Stand up. After the fun jump, you have to go home.
Yeah, we'll probably go home. And I fell. Ah. Scoot up, bud. Scoot up. Are you gonna jump?
I'm going to jump.
Whoa, no, not on me, no. You just like making it deflate, don't you? Uh-huh, you stinker. Mama's home. Tell Mom what we did today.
Oh, sweet boy.
We did in sports.
You had sports? What kind of sports?
Basketball, and we didn't do the soccer balls.
You didn't do the soccer balls? Where'd you guys do sports at?
The sports store.
You went to a sports store? Wow.
And where else did we go?
The what? The hammers and the bench?
And the wrench.
You went to go see the tools?
Went to a hardware store.
Oh, wow. Are you learning lots of things? Yeah. Where's your sister?
She went to go potty.
Okay.
So he's been doing this for about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, and I couldn't show you before because he was doing it naked. So picture him naked doing this, and it's a bit more funnier. Gonna get a good workout, bud. Yeah. Hopefully he sleeps well tonight. Hey guys, we had a really great day today. I love being able to go out with Jacques and show him something new or teach him something new like we did at the hardware store. And then we got to have so much fun down at the Fun Jump. So that was just exciting. I really like that. I think tomorrow I want to go back down to St. Martinville. Remember we went about a week or two ago? And there is a couple of things that I wanted to do there that we didn't get a chance to do. So if you guys want to see some of that, make sure to click that subscribe button. If you're new, click that subscribe button. If you don't know, we have this goal to sell everything that we own, including our house, buy an Airstream travel trailer and just travel around the country teaching our kids about the world. You know, my wife's a teacher, so she has the teaching ability, and I make videos, so if we can make YouTube a sustainable income for us, then we can make it happen. So that's kind of the big thing right now, is that we need YouTube to really be able to bring in enough money to where Krista can quit her job so that we can live life on the road. So if you guys want some of that, click that subscribe button. Thumbs up is always appreciated. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being shankety shank.